Repair Clinic makes fixing things easy, with millions of replacement parts available on our website and the help you need to do the repair yourself. Since we encourage you to perform this repair safely, a warning icon will appear when you should use caution. Before you replace the main top on your electric downdraft cooktop, be sure to turn off the power supply to the junction box. Unthread the screws securing the junction box cover and remove the cover. Untwist the wire nuts to disconnect the power and grounding wires. Loosen the conduit connector screw or screws, then remove the conduit cable from the junction box. Detach the venting from the blower. Lift off the vent grill. Now have an assistant help you to lift the appliance out of the countertop and set it on a sturdy surface. You will need to support the right side of the cooktop. Remove all 5 control knobs. You can use string or wire to help lift the knobs off of the switch stems. Use a 1/4-inch socket or nut driver to unthread the 10 screws, securing the main top to the cooktop base. With the screws removed, lift off the old top. Prepare the new main top for installation by first applying new protective foam strips to the underside edge of the cooktop. Trim the strips accordingly to match the length of the front and rear edge of the cooktop, as well as the sides. Peel off the backing to expose the adhesive, and position the strips on the underside edges a 1/4 inch from the edge. Next, transfer the control knob bezels from the old top to the new one, or install new bezels. You can use a razor blade to help detach the bezels from the old top. Be sure to center the holes in the bezels with the holes in the new top. Position the new main top on the cooktop base. Thread and tighten the 10 screws to secure. Realign the control knobs on the switch stems and push them into place. Return the cooktop to the cabinet and center it in the cutout space of the countertop. Replace the vent grill. Reattach the venting to the blower. Feed the conduit cable through the connector into the junction box. Tighten the screw or screws to secure the conduit. Join the black wires together and secure them with a wire nut. Do the same to secure the two red wires together and the two white wires. If your junction box has a 4-wire power supply line, join the green or bare grounding wire or wires to the bare grounding wire from the cooktop and secure them with a wire nut. If your power supply only has 3 wires, connect the grounding wire or wires along with the white wire from the cooktop to the white neutral wire in the box. With all of the wires positioned inside the junction box, replace and secure the cover. With the repair completed, restore power to the junction box, and the electric downdraft cooktop should be ready for use. At Repair Clinic, we make fixing things easy. Thank you for supporting the production of these videos by purchasing your parts from our website.